In the previous video, we saw how to read a nested JSON into a data frame using the JSON normalize function. Now, we'll examine how to deal with nested data inside a data frame column. Imagine we have a list named writers, and we define a list of JSON strings named books. Now, we can convert them into a data frame. Inside the data frame call, we'll call the dictionary constructor and set as the writers column the writers list, and as the books column the list of dictionaries named books. We now have a data frame with two columns. The books column contains the nested data. In order to handle that, let's import the JSON module. Now we will load the JSON string contained in books into a dictionary. To that aim, let's use the apply method. This method will help us apply any function to every single value of the column books. What function? The JSON.loads function. It will convert a JSON string into a Python dictionary. Then we will convert the result into a series object. To do that, we use again the apply method, passing the series constructor from pandas as an argument. This operation will flatten out the dictionary into a data frame. Pay attention to how it creates one column per key. We can then drop the original nested column. After that, we concatenate it with a newly generated data frame. As a result, we get a data frame with 3 columns without any nested data. There is another approach we can take. After loading the JSON string contained in books, we can use the toList method to transform it into a list. We can use the JSON.dumps function to transform the JSON object into a string. And finally, we use the readJSON function to read this string into a data frame. Our new data frame has 2 columns that correspond to the original strings. We can use now this new data frame to concat with the writers column of the original data frame. And we get the same data frame as before. Now you know how to handle nested data in data frame columns. It's time to practice.